Okay, we're going to look at binomial products. Remember, binomial is an expression that contains two terms. So for example, this is a binomial expression. This is also a binomial expression because they contain two terms. A binomial product is when two binomial expressions are multiplied by each other. Okay, your textbook, there's several methods. Your textbook talks about a method called the FOIL method. This is the method I, however, use. So when we have binomial products, let's get the first term in this bracket, multiply it by the first term in the second bracket. And I use arrows to remind me what I've done. Then this term times by that term. Then we get this term times by that term. This one by that one. So I multiply out my brackets. I then look and see if there's any like terms that I could combine. And yep, both of those contain an x. So I then combine my like terms. So I've got x squared, subtract 2x, subtract 15. So multiply out my brackets and then collect like terms. So the next example, my first binomial expression multiplied by my second binomial expression, i.e. a binomial product. So I multiply first terms, those two terms, these two terms, and those two terms. Have I got any like terms? The answer is yes. So my like terms here, these have both got x in it, they're my like terms. Combining my like terms gives me x squared plus 5x plus 6. Okay, final binomial product example. First binomial expression multiplied by my second binomial expression. That by that gives me 4x squared. That by that gives me 6x. That by that gives me 4x. And that by that gives me 6. Again, have I got any like terms? Yep, two terms in the middle have both got x. So I mark my like terms. And then remember that we combine our like terms. So that becomes we'll do it in pink, 4x squared plus 10x plus 6. So in summary, expand your brackets. I find putting arrows to remember that you've remembered to multiply each term by each term. Expand your brackets, look if there's any like terms, and combine your like terms.